Trade Mastermind have helped me personally with my business last year, for instance. Went from doing, say, I don't know, 10, 15 boilers in a year and done my whole year output in just January alone, so that was pretty cool. I've done bits of marketing before, but never really known what's going to work and, you know, should I progress with doing this or that, and actually knowing what works and then trying to track it and knowing that I'm doing it right was a big thing for me. Yeah, just being able to ask the question of, like, you know, should I be doing this, should I be doing that? And it does help a lot, you don't realise it, and I was a bit apprehensive at first, but it was very needed. I was, yeah, say between 10 and 15 a year, and I was doing that year on, year out. Now, like I say, I was doing that in January, and I wasn't marking it up properly, and now I know what I'm doing wrong on the pricing structure as well. So it helps on the money side of things as well as being productive. Yeah, what can you say about Paul? He's walked the walk more than anyone. I would recommend Trade Mastermind simply because you don't know what you're missing out on until you actually step in that lane and try and go a bit faster. So.